Good evening. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Pratisha. I would like to share some personal experience with Indian Abacus. I like Abacus very much. It helps me to do some very easily and quickly. It is a brain exercise which activates both right and left. In a short form, Abacus. Done by the child, process done by the child, output done by the child. Indian Abacus system is a system to beat phobia on mathematics. There is a lot of difference between a child who learned Abacus and doesn't know Abacus. I would like to thank our founder who create wonderful ambience and excellent environments. And I would like to thank our Indian Abacus tutors who is friendly with us. Thank you.